You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the hair zipper and get flashy. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper.
Oh yes, yes, hello, hello. Oh yes, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm just going to be somehow very slow, but I'm sorry, I'm not fine. I've not been fine. That's why you have not been seeing all the uploads. It's just because I've been having some flu and cough, and I think you can hear how I'm talking. But I'm just going to make sure that at least you can listen and hear what I'm going to tell you about, because I'm here to close this chapter of the extended dreads. And if you're still new, please make it a point to click on that red button and ring the bell. My name is Maurice, the Crochetmaster, to those ones who are still new, and I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochetmaster, on my personal account, that is on Instagram. Yeah, it's Maurice, the Crochetmaster. And still you can follow Hair Zipper. Yes, that is the name of the company, Hair Zipper Salon. Yes, you can follow it still on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's there so that you can be seeing all these types of hairstyle. Yes, I've been hearing most of the questions that you've been asking me about the extended dreads, and here is I want to answer everything. Number one, those people who have been saying that they have been trying doing the dreads, and when it comes to unplaiting, their hair breaks or they just have to cut their hair. I want to tell you the truth about these extended dreads and the method that I use. Trust me, it's very simple, and it's very easy to maintain your hair, and when unplaiting you come back with your hair. So just because other people have been asking me about showing them the tutorials of how to unlock these dreads, the video is there already. You can go and check it out on my previous video. It is there showing you how to unlock these dreads. And still I'm here to put for you another one, because that one we unlocked, and then after then we did even retouch. So I think this kind of method is very nice to you guys, and I would like you also to join it. Make sure you learn how to do it. Yes, and others have been asking me the things that I use. This is the molding gel that I always apply. Yes, I always apply the molding gel, and if it's not there with you, you can still use the eco gel. Just because I would like to make it easier for you, I'm not going to talk about the dreads, but I'm trying to tell you what you can do, and I'm trying to prove you wrong, like those ones who've been saying that maybe I'm trying to market the dreads, maybe they cannot. Please, if you like, maybe you experienced that kind of the dreads and you had to cut off your hair, there is maybe a mistake that they do. So for here, if you can try to see my method that I'm using, try to see it very well. I lock like this when I'm leaving some inch. I leave that inch, the quarter inch, so that one help me when I'm going to add on the extension. You understand? So when I add on that extension, it will be very easy for me, because there I still have the space that I left there. Then when I'm trying to lock, it will just be very easy. I lock it without that pain, because still I hear that those ones who've been saying that dreads are very painful, they're painful. I believe that any hairstyle can be painful, but as long as how do they plait it, how do they plait it? So this is what I can say, that there is that inside tricks that you guys should have to learn, because I would say that those ones who make them pain, the only problem they do when they're locking like this, the way I'm locking right now, they lock it and they make it painful. Like they lock it up to the end, like they don't leave that space. So when it is that tight already on the body and on the scalp, and then you're trying to bring the extension, automatically that is going to be painful, just because you'll be trying to strain to make sure that you lock it, yet it is already on the scalp. So that one will make it pain. But now you're seeing that I'm leaving that space, knowing that the next time I'm going to bring the extension, it's just going to be very easy for me to lock once and someone won't feel any pain. And then when it comes to others, the spacing, there's someone I saw the comment, someone did the locks, the natural locks, and then after she realized that maybe they did them badly, and she's asking what they can do. What I can tell you is, when you're doing natural dreads, you should always be very, very careful. Why? It's just because natural dreads will it is according to how you arrange first. So now you can see how I'm arranging my boxes. That means if I was doing natural dreads, it means that would be easy already. Like someone will be saying it already looking nice. It's just because the way I'm trying to arrange it. But sometimes people try to do like the natural dreads, and then they do the shape of on how they are trying to look. They just do them not well arranged, and then you the person, maybe when you see someone else having the same dreads, the natural dreads, and when they're for them they are well spaced, then there you feel bad and you feel like unplaiting your hair, which wouldn't be very nice, wouldn't be very good. It's just the only thing would be how to lock it first. So I would like you to be very, very, very careful. So now you can see this. I was trying to lock it, but it was trying to be the space was still big. Then I lock it twice. But I wouldn't say that you should lock it twice, because there are those ones that can be very down, and if we try to lock it again, then it will be very, very tight. You know, when we are doing this, what I always advise you guys, whenever you plait a client and then a client is feeling pain, then it means somehow, somewhere, there is where you have overstretched. And we don't know that where you have overstretched, maybe one day that person, or next day, next week, somebody is going to try to style the hair. And if he's trying to style the hair, remember it was already overstretched. And when you're trying to overstyle the hair, that means it might break. So that's why sometimes you find people, their hairlines are breaking, and because of the dreads. And another thing why dreads break the hairline is, some people, when they're doing repair, I don't know how I can explain this, but you find like the hair, the extension has moved. So you find someone is just locking the hair only. So it means if that person is going to unplait that hair, she cannot remain with her hair. You'll be like you're trying to make it natural. And that's why they've been asking me, can I use this same method to do the natural dreads? Like, you know, like, can I do this same method to do natural dread without extension, and then after they can unplait their hair? And I would say that one is not right, because hair is hair. Maybe if it comes to those people with the straight hair, yes, for those ones with straight hair, that one I can allow. But people with natural hair, it is very hard. I cannot allow that, and I cannot guarantee that maybe if you do the natural dread using this method, your hair will come back as when you're unplaiting. That is wrong, because sometimes there are those ones who do even these other twist out, and they try to stay them, they make them stay for long, you already see what happened like when you're going to unplait. So I would say that maybe those ones with straight hair can, just because for them their hair lasts rippley, so it's always very easy to unplait it very well. And you can see the method I'm using. Try to watch all the videos that I've been uploading. Trust me, you will have to know that what I'm telling you is true. You can see that the hair is what I've been using, and when the hair is getting finished, I try to use the kinky. But when you can see how the hair is passing through that hair, so it means when I'm going to unplait, it's the same hair that I'm going to be removing out. You understand? Because I'm seeing it already how I'm passing, because I'm doing it like the method is up like this, and then I pass it down, I pass it up, I just like this, it's down and up, down and up. So it's very simple, very easy, and that's why I would say that you guys try this method. Trust me, you won't regret. The problem is sometimes we look at the videos, try to see here, there's still that space. I still have my space. You see, the space is there. So if I try to lock it, it will be very easy, just like that, and it's already locked. So what I would say, try to listen to me very well, because there are those ones who see a video and they try to escape some other things. But there's some things that you need to listen to, because those ones, when you listen to it, maybe it can give you an experience on how you're going to do it. So please try to check it out. This video I just did it for the just to show you how we can how the extended dreads are very nice, and you should also learn to use this method. For now, I'm going to sign out, and please thank you so much for those one who prayed for me. Yes, I'm now fine, though my breath is not so fine, but at least I'm breathing well and I'm okay. And thank you, Isabella, for the support. Thank you so much, Likey. Also, wow, I saw your things. Thank you so much. So for now, guys, let me sign out, and if you're learning something from me, I'd like you to go in my comment section, tell me where you're watching me from, and please tell me if you're getting what I'm telling you, so that I know that we are together. My name is Maurice the Crochetmaster, and my personal account is Maurice the Crochetmaster. I love friends, I love sharing ideas. You can still follow me up and we'll be good friends. And those ones who would like to see all these kind of hairstyle, please just go right now and follow Hair Zipper Instagram, Hair Zipper Facebook, Hair Zipper Twitter, and you can see the pictures of the work done. Yes, for now, let me sign out, guys, but see you. Bye bye.